the way.
hooks
Oh
here.
my
Putting the
goodness.
pressure on him, getting him. Nice
बढ़िया
knee over the
knees.
top.
एक-
Right? And he shoots him for a takedown. Nice takedown. Nice uppercut. Nice uppercut.
और अगली फाइट भी एक बहुत ही धमाकेदार फाइट होने वाली है। एक तरफ है पुनियाजीत लिखारू और दूसरी तरफ है सर्बिया के जॉर्जे स्टोजानोविक।
He assured me that he's been working on his striking and to look for a finish here.
क्या बात है, बहुत
Nice,
तेजी से
nice
शुरुआत
hooks
करी
here.
जॉर्जे ने।
Georgie throwing in. Oh, he's all in. He's throwing in some heavy punches here.
कहीं ना कहीं ये जो डिसीजन था टेक डाउन लेने का, ये जॉर्जे के लिए गलत साबित हो रहा है। यहाँ से देखिए, जब मुक्के लगते हैं तो दर्द बहुत होती है।
We've got Punyajit Likharu dominating from the guard position. However, he comes across as a fighter at such a young age. Look at
Nice
the way.
hooks
Oh
here.
my
बहुत
goodness.
ही
pressure on him,
कड़क
getting him
मुक्के,
against the
क्या
cage.
बात है।
Nice clinch exchange here.
और बढ़िया किक लगाई
That
वहां
was a
जॉर्जे
nice
ने।
kick.
हार्ड पंच मारा, केज के अगेंस्ट धकेला जॉर्जे ने। पुनियाजीत को टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। फिलहाल पुनियाजीत डिफेंड करते हुए
Whoa!
स्लैम
Nice
किया।
slam by Georgie right into
Slam
side
किया।
control.
Georgie surprising Punyajit once again. We've got less than 20 seconds in this bout. Georgie's got Punyajit's toe. Punyajit scrambled out.
बहुत ही बढ़िया काम किया है पुनियाजीत ने इस फाइट में टॉप पे रहने का।
Man, those shots are explosive. I'm sure they're causing a bit of damage to
They are
Georgie.
हुआ है पुनियाजीत के लिए। ये देखिए, जॉर्जे ने कई बार अटैक्स किए, पंचेस मारे। ये अपर कट बहुत अच्छा था। यहाँ 5-6 पंचेस एक साथ लगाए हैं उन्होंने कई बार। यहाँ पे शायद वो पंच था जिसकी वजह से जॉर्जे के नाक से खून निकलना शुरू हुआ ग्राउंड पे, जहां पुनियाजीत ने डोमिनेट किया जॉर्जे को।
So John, it seems that Punyajit is a little bit top heavy here. When he was in the guard position, he was dominating.
यहाँ पे जोरदार मुक्के लगाए, लेकिन पुनियाजीत ने बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड किया। देखिए, पुनियाजीत के हाथ ऊपर हैं। ये एक एल्बो थी, खूबसूरत एल्बो। यहाँ वो लो ब्लो था शायद, जिसकी वजह से फाइट को रोका गया। उसके बाद
Georgie
फाइट
Payne.
गई ग्राउंड पे। यहाँ पे एक बार चोक का खतरा था, उस चोक से बचे, लेकिन उसके बाद पूरी फाइट में नीचे थे जॉर्जे, और उसकी वजह से ये राउंड मुझे लगता है हार गए होंगे।
Avizo Lanamai taking on Dushyant. Dushyant took up this fight in just 10 days notice to put up a show.
हालांकि एक डिसएडवांटेज पे हैं, 10 दिन के नोटिस पे ही इन्होंने फाइट ली है, पर चलिए देखते हैं क्या होता है इस मुकाबले में। बढ़िया लेग किक से शुरुआत करी,
Center of the cage here, guys.
और यही एक्सपेक्टेड था नागालैंड के फाइटर्स से कि वो आएंगे, किक्स और पंचेस लगाना स्टार्ट करेंगे।
Dushyant landing those leg kicks. Looking for a takedown here.
ओह,
Nice
बढ़िया
knee over the
knees,
top,
एक
nice
के बाद
knees.
एक के बाद एक, क्या बात है।
Well, Avizo going all in, throwing in a lot of shots.
दुष्यंत बार बार टेक डाउन के लिए जा रहे हैं।
So John, here in, since Dushyant is a wrestler, he's very durable, he's tough, and he's born for battle.
He is. And one thing I want you guys to notice is that his mouth is open. Oh, he was caught there, guys.
जोरदार मुक्का लगा सीधा जबड़े पे, क्या बात है।
Dushyant throwing in those big right hands.
और
Aiming.
फाइनली टेक डाउन मिल गया है, जिसकी बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे, लेकिन एक ही सेकंड में अवीज़ो उठ खड़े हुए।
Avizo looking for a
man.
Kimura here. Got him on it. Got top control here. Wear him out and then flatten him out just like that, guys. He's going to wear him down.
ओह, कड़क मुक्के, कड़क। यहाँ से निकलना होगा दुष्यंत
Sink in
को।
that, guys. This might be the
Well, that's
end.
kind of crazy.
फाइट कर रहे हैं दुष्यंत, लेकिन फाइट कभी भी खत्म भी हो सकती है। एक हाथ पूरा गले पे लिपटा हुआ है अवीज़ो का।
That was it. That was it, guys. What a finish. That was a great finish.
Let's look at the action replay. Look at the way Avizo came in charging, relentless with those shots. Dushyant tried to throw in a kick, however, Avizo charged back heavy with his hands. And herein, Avizo tries to go in for that technical Kimura. Eventually ends the bout by taking Dushyant's back, locking in those hooks, and then a body triangle and choking out Dushyant.
Absolutely, Rahul. This is where it all ended.
So let's go on to the next bout. We've got Musa Raish taking on Clinton de Cruz.
Let's see who can dominate here.
क्या बात है,
yes.
बहुत ही कड़क शुरुआत, एक भी सेकंड नहीं देना चाहते हैं ये दोनों. क्लिंटन लेके गए मूसा को ग्राउंड पे.
Clinton doing a good job of keeping pressure on top. And
भाई
this is-
साहब, ये तो खून का नलका खुल गया है यहाँ पे.
Well,
look
that's
at these
crazy.
short elbows.
A lot of bloodshed here.
Nice
and I-
north-south position here. He is defending very excellently here.
oh, does he?
We
Oh
got
my
a head and arm
goodness.
choke.
Oh, this could be it.
We
This
got
could
it
be
on
it.
here,
it.
guys.
This could be it.
बहुत खतरे में है यहाँ मूसा. पूरा जोर लगा रहे हैं क्लिंटन इस चोक को खत्म करने के लिए.
Clinton has locked Musa in an anaconda choke. Well, it looks like. Oh my goodness!
Oh, we got
Oh
a
my
tap.
goodness! Well,
और यहाँ हुई है थोड़ी सी गड़बड़. मुझे लगता है ये रीस्टार्ट की जाएगी फाइट. इसीलिए मुझे GAMAF, hats off to GAMAF guys. They have created a new rule set so that situations like this can be handled.
I cannot
We have
agree
the
more.
restart rule.
man, this was so close.
We have the restart rule.
This was so close, so confusing, and we can see.
But
Musa
here-
here disappointed. Man, those elbows, short elbows, I hate them. They're explosive. Let's see if Musa tapped out or he went off to sleep. He did not. Definitely went off to sleep. Oh, looks like he tapped. Well, it's kind of confusing from this angle.
Yeah, we're gonna need to see a replay here, guys.
Let's look at the replay here. Oh man, what an explosive start.
And
Clinton
here we
grabbing
were
that leg.
thinking this will go 3 rounds.
Wow.
Let's see how that choke worked out for Clinton here. Man, those elbows, short elbows, I hate them. They're explosive. Let's see if Musa tapped out or he went off to sleep. He did not. Definitely went off to sleep. Oh, looks like he tapped. Well, it's kind of confusing from this angle. We've got Richard Burns from the UK fighting in the featherweight division against Shamanand. Let's get the action started, John.
Shamanan standing center of the cage here.
Oh,
Nice straight right hand there, guys.
जबरदस्त.
Shamanan is very powerful.
कॉम्बोज मार रहे हैं यहाँ पे, 4-5 पंच लगाए.
I think he's hurt Richard here.
He is hurt.
He's hurt Richard here.
Shamanan needs to put on the pressure here. Richard's gonna need to start moving, guys. He's just a standing target.
टेक डाउन
He
लिया यहाँ
secured-
रिचर्ड ने,
He secured a
लेकिन
nice takedown, but Shaman was able
एक
to
ही
get up.
सेकंड में खड़े हो गए.
Well, that's the same team as Clinton.
क्या स्पीड से मार रहे हैं शामान.
Wow,
क्या ताकत है, क्या स्पीड है, किसी भी चीज की कमी नहीं है.
Landing bullseye, bullseye.
Guys, another right hand, right square on the jaw.
कड़क.
Big right
अपरकट,
hand.
लेफ्ट हुक, क्या बात है.
Dropped him.
और एक पंच ने गिराया
Oh,
यहाँ
hit him
रिचर्ड
again.
को. क्या यहाँ फाइट खत्म हो सकती है?
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
nice scramble, guys. Every time he throws that big right hand, he shoots in for a takedown. Nice takedown.
But I think Shamanand is a little bit slow in this
Oh,
round.
Oh,
man.
nice
तगड़े
uppercut.
पंचेस, अपरकट सीधा
Nice
जबड़े
uppercuts,
पे.
nice hooks.
Well, yes, he looks a little bit fatigued here. He looks tired, and that's the reason.
Oh, he's
man.
out, he's
खेल
out.
खत्म.
Beautiful
What
straight right
a
hand right
big
there.
right hand.
Big right hand, guys.
Well, I think
हाथ
Shan-
नहीं, हथौड़ा. But then this
Oh.
is where it all ended.
Gosh, guys. Hand of stone right there, guys.
let's look at the action replay. Richard throws in
शामानन
a
के
kick.
जो हाथ हैं वो हाथ नहीं, हथौड़े हैं राहुल. पूरी तरह से आग लगा दी यहाँ शामानन ने MFN 10 के केज में.
Very technical round by Shamanan right here. Classic boxing. Nice straight right that dropped him there.
Let's look at the replay.
What a knockout.
Takedowns were working for Richard to an extent, but look at the brute strength of Shamanan. He was just able to shrug them off and get back on his feet, striking his punches. Look
Oh,
at
right
those
on the
shots.
button.
Look at how he loaded that uppercut up. Look at that.
Well, this reminds me of Sanjeet Budwar. That's what he does.
And another one. And another one. But here Richard was still in the fight. He attempted a takedown, but then this is where it all ended.
Gosh, guys, hand of stone right there, guys.